So this one I consider critical because this is one of what I think is of the people moments. The more that we recognize the of the people moments, the more that we can kind of connect together and do that, the more regularly this happens, the more we become more of a cohesive whole. Now, this of the people moment is all about stopping Wall Street from taking our houses and forcing us to rent. This is critical, so I almost went live. But it's been a while, so I need to iron out a few things. Anyway, Wall Street is basically buying up houses en masse, paying well over top dollar, and forcing the people that could get these houses out of being able to buy it. I'm going to show you some quick clips of a couple different videos that show you this, and then the action we can take.
BlackRock, a Federal Reserve-funded financial institution, is buying up all the houses to make sure that young families can't build wealth.
So is the idea to use COVID to force us out of the big cities, drop the real estate prices in the big cities, come in, buy up the big cities, convert them into smart cities, buy up all of the single-family homes across the nation, skyrocket the rent, so that you're forced to either pay a really high rent for a house on an acre of land or a quarter acre of land in a suburb, or move back into the cities where they've got full control over you using their technology? I don't know.
So that was Man in America. And as he said, this is their plan. It's right out in the open. I want to show you another clip that kind of reinforces this idea. But before I do, I want to show you Man in America's plan.
If you are somebody, if you're looking, okay, what can I do? How can I change this situation? Well, one small thing is if you're selling your house, tell your agent that you don't want to sell to a bank. Tell your agent, which your agent can do this for you. You as the seller, you can pick who you want to sell to and make it very clear with your listing agent that you want to sell to a family. You want to sell to a family that's going to buy your house, move in, and raise your family, raise their family in your home. That's one thing you can do.
A residential property worth $500,000. Someone says, you decide you're going to move, so you put it on the market. Someone says, hey, we'll give you $1 million. Give me double my money, double my fund. After they're all done playing their scooping up games of commercial real estate and residential real estate, that's not going to get you very far.
No.
Or at least not as far as it would have under ordinary circumstances.
Exactly.
There obviously people have known that Bill Gates has gone and been purchasing in basically 18 states at this point, massive amounts of farmland. But this is a different kind of development. And the way I see it is that not only are they pushing towards basically forcing people to rent, but they're also basically taking and moving the money from Wall Street stocks, which could potentially just crash, to something that's much more tangible. That's land. And a lot of people are doing that. Gold, silver, land. Those are the kind of things that will basically stand the test of time of, ups and downs of a market and so on and so forth. So they're transferring the wealth from something kind of intangible to something a lot more tangible. And in that sense, they're securing their wealth in a much more concrete way, basically buying up America. You'll look and see where Man in America actually points out how China has a connection to BlackRock itself. But the Chinese people have also been buying up real estate right and left. Whether you have it from a personal level or a corporate level or what have you, it's all by design so that the ownership of things changes from the individual to a corporate or state level. If we come together, share that idea with other people, ensuring the people who are selling their house actually sell to people rather than Wall Street. It's a small little element in part of the game. But again, overall, I think the more that we recognize these people of the moment solutions, the more that we do them, the more we become a well-oiled machine, so to speak, that can band together and make a difference overall. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.